Okay, this is lesson 41, number 16. It says, write the quadratic equation with a lead coefficient of 1 whose roots are negative half and 2/3. So the roots are negative half and 2/3. So if you imagine when you're solving quadratic, you know how you factor it and you have x plus 3 times x minus 5 equals 0, and then you end up with negative 3 and positive 5 or whatever. We're kind of doing that backwards. So I'm going to go ahead and imagine that those were my two answers, x equaled that and x equaled that. Well, that means back when they were in the parentheses and they said equal 0, that means it was kind of like this, minus negative a half, right? Because for this to end up the answer being 2/3, wouldn't it have to be minus 2/3? And same, and this is going to be plus, right? So I got x plus a half and x minus 2/3 equals 0. That's how I started out. And then I'll just go ahead and FOIL it out. So x times x is x squared minus 2/3 x plus a half x. What's a half times a third? That would be negative 2/6. And then this one and this one, I can say that's thirds. I need sixths. Oh boy. Okay, so this is going to be how many? Here, let's do it on scratch paper because I think my brain is kind of weak here. Equals negative 4. I have to do it the baby way today. How many sixths is a half? 3/6? Okay, I'm supposed to add those two things up, right? I just did a common denominator. So is that going to give me 2/6? No, it's not. It's going to be negative 4 and positive 3. Negative 1/6. So we think these two things give me negative 1/6. I don't know. I kind of like that. Let's see. We follow all the directions and do everything. Find the equation. Wait, what would it say? Write the quadratic equation with the lead coefficient of 1. Okay, I kind of like it. Let's check it. Number 16. Oh, well, I could have fixed that up. Look, I didn't even reduce it. Let's be mature and reduce our fraction and not act like a little kid. There we go. Right? That's the answer. Good thing I